Hi, hello dear students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Students, today in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic. So, standard 3rd, subject English. Let us move ahead to the beautiful topic for the day. Okay. So students, today in this video we are going to talk about a festival album. Okay, let us move and let us look at about the different festival which are celebrated in our country. Okay, let us move ahead. Students, do you know why do we celebrate festival in our India? Okay, let us move. What is the main reason we celebrate festival in our India? So students, the main reason we celebrate festivals in India because the majority of them are more or less religiously centered, and thus we come to honor our religions. But festivals also give a sense of enjoyment, relaxation, happiness, etc., and offer the time needed to bond with family members, relatives, friends, etc., to whom we never really see. So that is why we should celebrate festival, and the importance of festivals are there in our life. Students, so here we are going to see about a festival according to the month. So the first festival is Makar Sankranti. Students, Makar Sankranti is believed to be a time for peace and prosperity. The day is regarded as important for spiritual practices, and accordingly people take a holy dip in rivers, especially Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari and Krishna. The bathing is believed to wash away sins. So students, Makar Sankranti is a festival day in the Hindu calendar dedicated to the Surya, that is sun. Pray to the sun god. People fly kites and wear black dress as part of the celebration. Now the next festival here, Pongal. Pongal is one such festival that is celebrated to thank the sun god and Lord Indra for helping farmers in getting better yielding crops. On Pongal day, farmers prepare signature items like pongal. Sugarcane is offered. A special puja is also performed to thank the sun god. You can see on your screen, students, here what is the sweet dish they made on that is called paisam something. Yes, and when Pongal, and they do puja of cow and they celebrate. Students, now You can see the picture of here. Which festival? Yes, very famous festival of Maharashtra. That is Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is a Maharashtrian New Year and is celebrated in parts of Maharashtra. Ugadi is the New Year's day for the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In Karnataka, the festival is celebrated as Ugadi. Students, Gudi Padwa is celebrated with people cleaning their houses and decorating it with rangolis. Both man and woman and their family members wear new clothes to celebrate this day. Women also wear traditional jewelry. Okay, students? Here, the picture of a sweet dish, very famous for the Maharashtrian people as well as the Hindu people. All love to eat this sweet dish. What is that? A Puran Poli. Yes, it's very tasty, we know all. Puran Poli is a sweet flatbread and is popularly enjoyed during Ganesh Chaturthi, Gudi Padwa, Holi and Diwali in Maharashtra. This bread is made by filling a lentil mixture. Student, lentil mixture means the mixture of dal, which is prepared using roasted chana dal and jaggery. Puran Poli is the Marathi name of the dish, where Puran is the sweet lentil mixture, means a mixture of dal. Which dal? Chana dal. And the bread is called Poli. Wow! Here the colorful festival, students. What is that? It's a Holi. Holi is a Hindu festival that take place every spring. It's all about new beginnings. Holi welcomes the spring season and celebrates the end of winter. The Holi festival always falls on Purnima or the day of the full moon. Indian god Lord Krishna was jealous of his soul mate Radha's natural color of face, since he himself was very dark. Naughty young Krishna complained to his mother Yashoda about this injustice of nature. Mother asked Krishna to apply color on Radha's face and change her natural color of face according to his choice. Playful and mischief Krishna appreciated the idea and implemented it. Here, students, about the Eid festival. Okay, first we will talk about the Ramzan and the importance of Ramzan. Okay, Ramzan is recognized as the holy month of fasting by the Muslim people. It begins and ends with appearance of the new moon. Now about the Eid. Eid is a celebration when the Muslims come together and hug each other with promises of charity, kindness, harmony and brotherhood. This festival is not about being happy, but they share their happiness to others also and nurture their desires. On the day of celebration, Muslims offer gifts to those in need and celebrate it with great affection and joy. They make special dish on that day like biryani and sweet dish, that is sheer kurma. We all love that biryani and sheer kurma. They provide us to our house also. Yes, students? Yes. Here a very beautiful festival, students, that is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of a brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu religion. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated following the Hindu calendar. This festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life and happiness to God. Now here the festival of Janmashtami. Janmashtami, Hindu festival celebrating the birth of the god Krishna. Dahyandi is celebrated every August or September, the day after Krishna Janmashtami. Now here the festival Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of new beginnings and a fresh start. Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day Hindu festival celebrated to honor the elephant-headed god Ganesha's birthday. He is the younger son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Wow! Now here Diwali festival. Students, Diwali is also called Deepavali festival. Is one of India's biggest festival. The word Deepavali means rows of lighted lamps. It is a festival of lights and Hindus celebrate it with joy. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops with diyas. They worship the Lord Ganesha for welfare and prosperity and goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Here you can see, students, on Diwali, people clean and decorate their house before the festival. They do colorful rangoli artwork on floors. On the day of Deepavali, people put on their best clothes and exchange greetings, gifts and sweets with their friends and family. And students, one more festival is celebrated, that is Bhai Dooj. Is a Hindu festival celebrated around India. It is also known as Bhau Beej. The celebrations of Bhai Dooj are very similar to Raksha Bandhan. On this day, sisters pray for a long and prosperous life for their brothers, and brothers give gifts to their sister. Wow! Now here the festival of birthday of Jesus means Christmas. Although most Christians celebrate December 25th as the birthday of Jesus. Students, we all enjoy this festival very much. Yes, the Christmas. Let us see more about Christmas in next slide. Okay. Christmas, dear students. The day known as Christmas Day is celebrated on the 25th day of December. It is one of the most important days for the year for Christians. Christmas is celebrated all over the world as a religious holiday or as a time of celebration by Christians and non-Christians alike. Our traditions are different from country to country, but they nearly always include a feast, giving gifts or cards, and enjoying church or public festivities such as singing Christmas carols and songs. Santa Claus is a tradition in many countries of the world. Here the activity time, students, for you. Select any one topic for your festival album. Select any one festival for your album. Make a festival album with the help of your family and friends. Refer the page number 42 of your English textbook. So, thank you, students.